Okay, we're on.
Okay. Thank you for taking the time to do this interview with me. I have a couple of questions. My first one is, can you please introduce yourself, your job position, and some of your responsibilities?
All right, so my name is Diana DaCosta, and I am one of two technology integration specialists in the West Orange Public Schools. And basically, my job is to work with teachers and help them integrate technology effectively in the classroom. Some of our roles, aside from visiting with teachers, I work with the assistant superintendent and my colleague Tanya, and we um, do a whole set of lessons, or I should say sessions, with our new staff for year two, for new teacher orientation. And that focus for that year is technology and how to use it in the classroom.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the other thing is that we have some ed tech teams that we've created within the last year, and this team is representative of all grade levels, different subject areas, and so we work with these teachers to help kind of spread the word and support each other in the use of technology.
Perfect. Can you tell me a little bit more about the internet safety policy in West Orange and like the things that are being done to try to implement it to teachers and the students?
Sure. So our internet safety policy is listed on our district website.
Mm-hmm.
And aside from that, all new teachers, once they come on board with their new teacher orientation, receive or actually have a presentation with the director of technology, Phil Santiago. And so he reviews the main tenets of our internet safety policy, which basically go through basic guidelines of, how to manage the devices that are issued to them, etiquette, how to be appropriate online, and what's expected out of them as role models, as educators, and then also dealing with security and how to keep things like passwords and all that private. So we do go through that. And basically, it's in our speaking when we work with teachers as well, and we kind of troubleshoot and deal with issues as they arise.
Okay. How are students being educated on things like digital citizenship?
So we, there's a curriculum where library media specialists do go over the basic tenets of digital citizenship, but our mission right now is working with teachers and showing them how digital citizenship is in the everyday. So, whether it's when a kindergartner gets onto Seesaw and has to, post something, we talk about what's appropriate and how we're kind online to each other. So we look for ways in which teachers are embedding it in their everyday instruction, as well as, having a curriculum of topics that they do go through when they meet with the library media specialist.
Okay, and my last question, do you have any favorite resources to teach digital citizenship that you tell your teachers or maybe you use?
So I know of, and I've seen teachers use with success, the Common Sense Media curriculum, which it's nice, it's packaged nicely, and it has, it's by grade level, and there's concise lessons that can be integrated into the school day, as well as Brain Pop also has a nice robust set of tools that can be used in the classroom. And I just encourage teachers to, model just good digital citizenship, whether it's embedding a Twitter feed that's following an author or a hashtag, bringing it up on their smart board or projection system, whatever it is, just to model how to use tools to forward their education as well, not just for the social aspect of it.
Okay, well, thank you so much, and thank you for your time.
No problem. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right.